Now I'm going to show you how you can count your rows, how you can count the cables and how you can count the rows in between your cables. Now the cables themselves, they're offset. So you're just going to see like a knot here, here, here. I'll do it this way. So this is one. Instead of going 1, 2, 3 straight up, you got to go like zigzag. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and it goes up to 14. Now on the back, you can count them too. 1, 2, 3, 4. But remember, you just don't go straight up. You go over. Zigzag up. Now, to count your rows in between your cable stitches, right here was the cable row, and you can tell on the back there's kind of a knot here. Let's see if I can zoom in a little more. See, I've kind of got a raised knot. If I pull my hook down, with the hook facing up, I can kind of bump into it right there. What you do is you kind of hold that down and you count the stitches above it. So we have 1, 2. See this little bar right there? There's 1, there's 2. When you have 7 of these little bars, then you know that your next row is a cable row. But this you need to keep track of, because once we start on the tree part, then we will be you'll be doing the tree in the middle, and then you'll be doing the cables up the side still, which I have marked in the PDF which rows are cable rows, but still it's easier just to, I always double check just to make sure.